Hi, good morning. My name is Clint Madarcos and I'm from Hiraya Realty. Under po kami ng Chanel and Chanel Realty.
So, sir, gaano na po kayo katagal sa Chanel and Chanel Realty as a partner broker po?
Well, actually, nag-start kami last year, back in 2025. And it was really an amazing experience working with CNC.
So, kamustahin ko naman po yung experience mo as a partner broker ni CNC simula nag-join po kayo sa CNC?
Simula nung mag-join kami sa CNC, naramdaman namin yung pag-increase ng aming sales, ng aming production. Napakalaki kasi ng tinutulong sa amin ng CNC, especially sa mobilization. And that is one of the hindrance or challenges na kinakaharap ng mga agents. And luckily, napunta kami sa CNC, sa Chanel and Chanel, and we're very happy to work with Chanel and Chanel, especially yung ating mga coordinators. My God, they are really amazing people and they are always, the response rate, 100%.
Ayan. Sir, paano naman po nabago ng real estate ang inyong lifestyle?
Well, when it comes to lifestyle, kung dati easy-go-lucky na ako, paggaling ko ng trabaho, before kasi I was working as an operations manager sa isang kumpanya sa Metro Manila. And then, alam nyo, nung start ako, kasi parang ginawa ko lang itong sideline, ginawa ko lang itong side hustle. And it's really hard for me to start. But again, despite of those situation, naitawid ko siya and napakaraming opportunities na inopen sa akin ang real estate. So, from being employed, now fully fully committed na ako sa real estate, and I have a lots of experiences na talagang gusto kong ma-share, especially sa ating mga buyers. You know, yung isa sa pinaka-importante is maging part ka ng journey ng isang pamilya na nagkaroon ng isang magandang bahay. Kasi pangarap nila yun. Yun pa lang talagang fulfilling na yung trabaho natin. Pangalawa, aside from that, yung mga nai-invite natin, yung mga agents, yung mga kaibigan natin na dati walang hanap buhay, na dati hirap sila, paano ba kung kakaroon ng additional income? So, I started to ask them to join my team, and they are now, kung saan sila ngayon, tatagumpay sila, nagkakaroon na sila ng benta, and nagiging leaders na rin sila. And that's one thing na gusto kong ma-empower, gusto kong may-motivate sa lahat ng mga tao na real estate is not just a real estate. This is real business.
So, thank you so much, Sir Clinton, sa pag-share ng inyong inspirational message and pag-join sa Chanel and Chanel Realty.
Thank you so much po. And really, I'm really honored and thank you so much sa bumubuo ng CNC. Thank you so much po. And talagang super grateful kami, especially po ang buong Hiraya Real Estate Corporation. Masaya-masaya po kami na naging part kami ng Chanel and Chanel, and we're hoping, and of course, we're working na sana maging successful kami and tuloy-tuloy yung ating mga productions. Again, thank you so much and bye-bye!